Hey, Brian Steer, Stuart Real Estate Team. Spring is finally here. We finally made it through the long, cold, wet, windy winter down here at the Jersey Shore. And it's that time of year again to get the spring maintenance going on your home. Your home took a beating over the winter. Now it's time to take care of it. So just wanted to hop on and go over a couple of bullet points of things you should really take a look at and make sure you're maintaining this time of year. So for starters, your gutters. Wind, rain, all kinds of things have blown leaves, sticks, mud, all kinds of things in your gutters. You should have them cleaned out so they're working properly. You don't want to have the rainwater backing up and leaking into your fascia and giving you any kind of leaks in your roof or rotting out your wood. So you can do that yourself. If you can't, call a local gutter company, usually for $100 or $150. They'll come out and do a great job cleaning them out for you. The exterior of your home, you want to get a power wash. So if you have siding, decks, walkways, concrete, you want to call somebody out or do it yourself. Power wash, clean all of that mildew, mold, anything that's accumulated over the winter and fall seasons. Next, you want to take a look at your HVAC system. If you have central air and heat, you want to get your air conditioning condenser and your HVAC serviced, have new filters put in, and make sure that you're really circulating the best clean, healthy air you can through your home. Take a look at your roof. Make sure there's no missing shingles. Take a look at your ceiling inside your house. Make sure you're not noticing any kind of potential leaks going on. If you do have any shingles missing, have somebody come out and repair those so you don't have any leaks in the future. Take a look at your decks and porches. If you have railings, make sure nothing loosened up. Check all your locks on your gates. Make sure everything is functioning properly. Nothing took a swing open in the wind and broke on you. Also, if you have sprinkler systems, you have irrigation. It's time to put that on. So just run it all at once. Take a look. Make sure you don't have any that aren't working or any kind of clogged sprinkler heads. Go ahead and get those fixed. Get your landscaping freshened up. You want to rake away all that old mulch. You don't want to leave too much mulch built up in front of your house because, especially in our area, it attracts things like termites to your property. They love that wet old mulch. So if you are going to have it up against your foundation, you should rake away the old stuff, get some fresh new stuff in there, and make sure you don't see any termite activity going on. Also, while you're doing that, you want to take a walk around and look at your foundation. Make sure you don't see any kind of cracks or damage to your foundation you didn't notice before. If you do, you should have a mason or somebody who's handy with foundations come out and take a look and make sure you don't need some kind of repair. Finally, inside your home, take a look in your bathrooms. Look around your tubs, toilets, windows. Make sure that your caulk is all intact. You don't have anywhere that's kind of open that's allowing any water from your tub or toilet to infiltrate underneath your floors and cause bigger problems for you in the future. So those are just a handful of things that you should take a look at now that we're in the spring to do some spring maintenance on your home to make sure that your home shows the best and also lasts long and strong for you. If we can help you with any real estate needs, give us a call, 609-425-9428. Thanks for watching. Brian Steer, Stuart Real Estate Team. Catch you on the next one.